Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the even number from 1 to 10 using while loop in Python. Let's see with practical example here. First of all, I am going to declare a variable I and assign the value as a 1. Now I am going to write here the while and condition as a I less than equal 10, which means this loop continue until the value of I less than equals to 10. Now within the loop body, I am going to write here a condition to check the even number I modulo 2 equals to 0. Then it will print the value of I and then end equals to double quote, which means print the value into the same line with the help of end equals to double quote. Understand the concept. I modulo 2 means I value divide by 2, and if the remainder is 0 then the number is even, which means this code check the remainder, and if the remainder is 0 after divide by 2 then it will print the value of I as a even number. And next write here I equals to I plus 1, and now I equals to 1. Save it. Understand the concept from the starting. First of all, the value of I is 1. So check the condition. Condition is true. So control come inside the loop body and check here. The value of I is 1 modulo 2. Return the 1. So condition become false. So control come here and the value of I is 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 2 assign into the I variable. Control again come here and check the condition. The 2 value is less than equals to 10. So control again come here and check the condition. The value of I is 2 modulo 2 return 0. So the condition become true. So it will print the value of I as a 2. So you can write here the 2. And now the value of I is 2 plus 1, so 3 value assigned into the I variable, and control again come here and check the condition. The value of I is 3, which is less than equals to 10, so condition become true. Control again come inside the loop body, and right now the value of I is 3 modulo 2 return 1, so condition become false. Control come here and add the value of I as a 3 plus 1 as a 4 and assign the variable I inside the variable I. Now control come here and check the condition. The value of I is 4, which is less than equals to 10, so condition become true. Control again come here and now the value of I is 4 modulo 2 return 0, so condition become true, and it will print the value of I as a 4. Now control come here and add the value of I as a 4 plus 1 and assign the 5 inside the I variable. Control again come here and the value of I is 5, which is less than equals to 10, so condition again true. Control come here and now 5 modulo 2 return 1, so condition become false. Control come here and add the value 5 plus 1 6 and assign into the I variable. Control come here and check the condition. Condition is true because the 6 value is less than equals to 10. Control again come here. The value of I is 6 modulo 2 return 0, so condition is true. So it will print the value of I as a 6. Now the value of I is 6 plus 1 7. Assign into the I variable. Now the value of I is 7. Control again come here and check the condition. 7 value is less than equals to 10, so condition true. Control come here and the value of I is 7 modulo 2 return 1, so condition become false. Control again come here and add the value of I as a 7 plus 1 8 and assign the 8 inside the I variable. Control come here and check the condition. 8 value is less than equals to 10, condition become true. Control again come here and 8 modulo 2 return 0, so condition become true. It will print the value of I as a 8 with the help of print function. Now the value of I as a 8 plus 1, 9. Control again come here and check the condition. 9 is less than equals to 10, so condition become true, and control come here. 9 modulo 2 return 1, so condition become false. Control come here and add the value of I as a 9 plus 1 and 10 assigned to the I variable. Control again come here and check the condition. 10 less than equals to 10, condition is true, so control come here and 10 modulo 2 returns 0, so condition become true, and print the value of I as a 10. Now the value of I is 10 plus 1, 11. Now the value of I as 11, check the condition. Condition 11 less than equals to 10, condition false because the value of 11 not less than equals to 10. Now loop is terminated and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is printed by the program. Now I am going to delete it and run the program. Save the source and look here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 even number. You can write here the any other value, like suppose that you want to print the number even number from 1 to 16, so just change the value and run the program. You will get the answer 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 49, 16. Now you can also learn it from my own developed website android80.co.in. Write a Python program that print the even number using while loop. You will get the code from my own developed website. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.